What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Friday, which is good news because I am off and I'm home during the day. Actually, it's a holiday, Good Friday. To those who celebrate it, welcome Good Friday. I have off because I work for a religious company. So I am off today, which is good news, which I am actually getting something delivered today and I need to be home for it anyway. So this worked out. So, what's being delivered? Well, we're getting something for the Skyline delivered today. I'm very excited about it. I know Alex is very excited about it, but I think you guys are going to see it before he does. And by think, I mean you definitely are. So, they're almost here. They're probably going to be showing up any minute now. Can't wait for it to get delivered. I'm very, very excited to show you guys what's going on to the Skyline. To be very, very... It's good. It's good. It's good. I think I made a good choice. It's not carbon fiber, but I think I made a good choice on the hood. Carbon fiber is a little bit out of the price range right now, but yeah. So, we'll see how this looks. Maybe go carbon fiber in the future. Maybe not. Maybe. Alright, guys, so we're actually going to talk about the TC real quick. Today's Friday. Like I said, I'm off. Tomorrow, I'm also off as well. Alex is coming up. We're going to be working on his car, but we're also going to be doing some stuff to the TC as well. You guys probably already saw the video of everything we're doing on Alex's car, so... You guys like it? I hope you guys did. It's pretty cool. That's if we finished it. So, yeah. So, film is kind of out of order. Anyway, so, as you guys can tell, I installed a banner on the TC. It says those auto guys. It is satin black banner, matte black text. Unfortunately, the colors are very, very close together. So, I'm changing that. The new colors should be in today, Friday, so I'll be able to cut that out tonight and we'll install tomorrow when Alex is here and I have a little bit more people. It's also a little bit warmer outside tomorrow. So anyway. Oh, and another thing we're doing tomorrow with the TC, other than the few select maintenance things to try to fix that ticking noise, we're also going to be taking off the lift kit. This side is all messed up. And I actually clipped my car for the first time on this side. The driver's side isn't my fault. It was parked at Alex's house, and we believe that maybe the landscaper hit it. We're not really sure what happened to it. But yeah, we're going to take that off tomorrow. We're going to drop it off with paint, get it back this week, hopefully, and then install it for next week's First Cars and Coffee. First Cars and Coffee of the season. Hopefully it's warm out, and hopefully we'll be able to enjoy it. There might be two next week, so we'll see what happens. All right, let's wait for these guys to get here. It's cold outside, so I don't want to waste too much time outside and freeze to death and get sick. So, yeah, let's wait for them to show up. So that was actually easier than expected. Had to open it up. Even the guy's like, "Oh, it's a hood, right?" I'm like, "How'd you know?" He goes, "Yeah, because they told me to make sure we open it before I leave." So at least they know. At least now I know when the stuff for the TC comes in, I'll know that they know. Yeah, he said that the guys usually at the yard or kind of just toss it around like it's a big lead piece. But yeah. So anyway. Alright, so obviously you guys want to see what's in the box. This is a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. But, I don't know what I mean by what I thought it was going to be. I knew it was a hood. I knew it was a hood. The guy who opened it up with me, he's like, "What's that?" I'm not sure what that is, actually. Small, mighty... something. Maybe it's a Google Home. Something like that. Anyway. Everything looks good. Nothing looks damaged. Let's see if I am good enough to pick this up by myself. Alright. You guys are the insurance angle. Just in case I drop this. I'm not ready for this. A little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. But like I said, I guess that's to be expected. It's not carbon fiber. And the hood on that is 100% heavier than this. At least I'm thinking it is. That's the, like I said, it's not the GTR. So the GTR is made of a different material. I don't know what exactly it's made of. That's straight metal. It's heavy. This is FRP. I guess I should open it up. Let me do that. Well, guys, that is it. As you guys can see, we went with a vented hood. We went with a vented hood for the R32. I believe this is going to look really, really well on this. Now the issue is, and the reason why I'm replacing the hood, obviously it's a nice hood. We're gonna get it painted, the whole nine, and looks pretty decent. So as you guys can see, this edge right here along the front of the hood of the Skyline, unfortunately, when I got the car, probably about a week later, I accidentally put it into a guardrail. Tires are very bald, they were cracking. It was wet outside, it just wasn't that good of a day. So unfortunately, I accidentally put it into a front of a wall. That's why I got a bash bar and this and that. So that's why the hood's being replaced, because it's kind of, from the impact, it kind of warped it. And I plan on going with a carbon fiber hood. But the carbon fiber, it's too expensive right now. So maybe in the future we'll do carbon fiber for a hood. We have the fenders, and now we have the hood. We needed this so we can mount the hood, so we can figure out where to put the fenders, because you want to make sure it's kind of symmetrical. So also, this is, as you guys can see, this is the GTS hood. It comes down by the lights. This one has this little ridge right here. I guess on the GTR style they had this kind of lip right here. I didn't know this came with it, but hey, not bad. I'm glad I didn't order the piece that goes on top of this. Maybe I will in the future though. Who knows? Anyway, it's vented. I'm probably gonna remove all of that metal mesh that's in there. But honestly, I'm actually really happy with this. I guess I should tell you guys where I got it. Also, it comes with the cover. So when I park outside in the winter, and also I can park outside in the rainy days, it has the cover right here for the vents. So also, there's nothing to look out my motor anyway. It's an RB20, blah blah, yeah, whatever. Anyway, I can't wait. This project's starting very, very soon. I actually took off for a week in May. I'm gonna be working on this the entire week. Trying to get the body kit on there and everything like that. I know we're talking about May. It's April. We should probably start working on other stuff with the Skyline, such as fluids. We probably will start doing that. But we have a lot of stuff on our plate with both the WRX, potentially the TL. I don't know if Alex has anything for the TL, and obviously the Scion. So anyway, this is beginning very soon. So as I mentioned, I actually got this at the same place that I got the fenders from. This is a Z-Tune bumper. Not Z-Tune bumper. This is a Z-Tune hood. The fenders that I got were GTR style fenders, so I could use with the Origin body kit that I have for this car, which you guys already seen already. So I needed this hood. I'm very happy with this hood. So anyway, this hood and the fenders came from Rocket Z. I'll put the link to their website below. Not sponsored in any way. I purchased this entirely by myself. No assistance, financing, whatever. It's just, I needed it. Actually wasn't too that expensive, especially when it comes down to things for the Skyline. Everything with the Skyline is very expensive, so I'm actually quite happy that this and the fenders weren't that expensive. Sounded like wind was coming. I almost lost my life. Anyway, I have to get this downstairs. Nobody's home to hold the door. I'm gonna get this downstairs. Anyway, guys, today is Friday. Like I said, we have some more stuff going on tomorrow. I just want to show you guys the hood. The hood's been delivered today. So now, as you guys can see, the Skyline is actually going to run this year. It runs now, I should say. It runs now, but we're going to dial it in. We're going to drive it this year. Maybe go to local events. Maybe just drive it around for a little bit. We'll see what happens. So, yeah, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow when we're working on the TC, doing that couple things we got to do to it. And, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm actually going to show Alex this tomorrow, so you guys saw it first. Alright guys, it is officially the next day. It's a little bit chilly this morning. It's not that bad. It's a little bit chilly though. Have the TC nice and warmed up. We're going to go grab some coffee. By that time, Alex should be here. We're going to show him the hood. We got a couple of things to do with the TC today that we're going to end up doing. We got to take off the front lip. Just a couple other maintenance items that we're going to end up doing with the TC. Maybe finish installing the interior that I have. But yeah, we're going to grab coffee. Once I get back, Alex should probably be here at that point. And then we're going to start filming what we have for his car, which, like I said, you guys already have seen. So, yeah, it's going to be a good day. It's supposed to be probably 50s, mid-50s, maybe a little bit low 60s. So hopefully, at that point, it'll be good. So I'm going to grab some coffee. We're going to go to this local place right down the road from me. And let's get something. I'm excited. It's going to be a good day. This weekend is supposed to be decently warm outside. So, right, coffee time. Yeah. Sorry guys, so Alex is actually here. He's working on the WRX. You guys already seen that video, so I hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's been a pain. Like I said, Alex is still working on it.
My thumb didn't enjoy it.
Yeah, his thumb didn't enjoy it. So anyway, we're gonna take this off. I have to remember to pull off that sticker, so this way they don't have to. The NIA kit, if you didn't watch the installation video, definitely go watch it. It's just a bunch of screws underneath the car. I'm hoping I can do it without having to drive up the ramps. If not, we're almost done with the front of WRX. We're trying to take this off so we go grab lunch. It's a nice, easy, go drop this off. You good?
Oh, was I interrupting?
Yeah.
Oh, strip that.
Yep. I don't know why you thought that was going to be a good idea. Alex just stripped the nut. It's his fault.
Whatever.
Anyway, so I'm going to take off all these screws underneath. I got this little nice right angle piece that we used to install it the first time. So I'm going to do that real quick. And we'll see how it looks. It's going to look so weird without it. Guys, got it off. First try. Definitely easier getting it off than it was putting it back on. Or putting it on the first time. Definitely really dirty. And also the hardware. I'll try to take a picture of the hardware and post some on the screen. Some of the hardware is not as rusty as the other, as the rest of it. I'm not sure if that is just maybe there's a hardware difference because some of the screws are a little bit different than the other ones. Actually, overall quality, it definitely has been driven. You can definitely see in some areas where I've scraped. You can see like the rash. All in all, the quality on this thing is still pretty good. I'm glad I'm definitely getting it painted. They'll probably paint all the way around, so at least I would hope so. Anyway, this is off. We're gonna go drop this off. It should be a couple days. Hopefully we'll have it back for next weekend's car show. That's the goal at least. Hopefully we'll have it back, mounted up, and everything for next week. I'm probably going to clean this off this way they don't hit me with additional charges. Peel off this little label right here. And
They're gonna hit you with it. They're gonna have to prep it anyway.
yeah, they're going to have to prep it anyway, but yeah.
That's a talk from the background.
Yeah.
Of another video.
It's okay.
Alex from the past.
But yeah, anyway. We're going to... Alex is almost done with what he has to do, so once he gets finished with that, we're going to go drop this off and grab lunch, and then we're going to come back and do what we got to do for the rest of that. So, all right. Talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So it's actually been the next day. So I'm here replacing my cabin air filter, and I'm sitting here. I'm like, okay, you know, nothing too crazy. Let's just replace the filter. Nothing. It's obviously just, you know, just a added maintenance thing that you could do. And so as took everything out to get into access to it, and as I open this up, I realize I haven't had a filter this entire time of ownership of this car. Guys, I am the original owner of this car. No one else has owned this before me. That means I bought it like this. I haven't had a filter in here. Is that normal? I don't know if that's normal. Everybody's like, oh, change your cabin air filter. And I'm like, okay, maybe I will. And I go in here, I don't even have one. Don't even have one. So, well, this should be easy. I gotta open the package first, though. So, talk to you guys in a little bit. Well, Toyota. It wasn't that hard. Why couldn't you guys do it? Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since the last time we talked. It's actually Saturday, the same day we got the cars aligned, the WRX and the TL. How do you guys like that video? That video should have been good. So, news, update. I have the lip for the TC. It is back, painted, looks really good. We're going to solve that another day. The PCV valve. That was one thing that I wanted to do in this video. Unfortunately, we're not going to do it. To find out, Toyota decided, let's move it. And we have no idea where it is. So, reading online, forums, and this and that, to find out, it might actually be on the intake manifold. We're not really sure. A video that I saw for a Toyota RAV4, this generation, same motor and everything, same setup of the motor, same valve cover, the whole nine. It might be under the valve cover. Not valve cover. It might be under the intake manifold, and if that is the case, well, that's going to be a hard thing to replace, especially on a lower vehicle like that, without some type of lift. Unfortunately, that is an expensive thing to get done, so I'm not sure what we're going to end up doing with that. Chris, a good friend of ours, he's actually going to be doing something cool with his TC. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. He might be starting to film or record his journey with what he's planning. Definitely worth following him. Maybe he's going to try to look for it on the spare motor he has, and he's going to let us know. If it's an easy thing, we'll replace it. If not, I don't know what we're going to do. Yeah, it just comes down to that. Anyway, so guys, I'm going to call it quits here. We have a lot of stuff coming. Obviously, we have stuff with the Skyline coming. We have stuff with the TC coming. We have the lip to put back on the TC. We have a couple of dress-up bits that we're going to end up doing for the TC, and pretty soon, at this rate, the Skyline's getting worked on very soon. But yeah. Guys, calling it quits here. Catch you guys in the next one. Let us know if you like this video. If you want to see more of the maintenance stuff going on behind the scenes with the TC, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to keep you guys updated with its well-being and maintenance. So, anyway, catch you guys later.